On this problem, they're giving us a graph and they're asking for the rate of change. So what you need to do is you need to pick 2 points, any 2 points from the graph. The good thing is about these examples that they're already given to us. So what we're going to do is going to open up our decimals calculator. We're going to add a table, and let's concentrate on this first one right here. The first number, we go down and it's -4. And then this same point, we'll go to this side and it's a 7. Now we have this point right here. First we go down, which is a 4. And then we go to the y, which is a1. After you do that, remember to do y equals mx plus b, but the calculator does not accept equals, it is a squiggly line. And then we just go up here and do not forget the ones next to the y and next to the x. And automatically you go right here on the bottom, which is your answer, which is -0.75. First of all, it is negative, so you get rid of the positives, which is a and c. So now we're going to type this number in, -0.75. We click on this and it'll give us the answer is -3/4, and the answer in this one, it is D.